Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom, Park Avenue Trading. Had a fantastic couple of days, fantastic week. Let's keep it up. I'm going to give you some really important levels in this video, as usual. I think it's going to get a little tricky. So you're going to have to be a little bit more cautious here. Some strange things are going on again with good old dollar yen. What a level to buy. I mean, 109.11 was the low. We had 109.06 as the really important point to watch, and it's just taken off. So I'm going to give you some more important levels of dollar yen to watch. We got to watch that euro yen cross. I think that's going to be pretty important. So I'll give you those levels right now. Remember, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please subscribe. If you like what you hear, give me the old thumbs up. YouTube loves those thumbs up. And don't forget to ring the bell, because that's when you'll get all notification of the new market research and some really cool stuff that I'm going to put out. Look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers. Okay, welcome everyone. We're going to start the analysis off with the euro dollar. We had the important level at 117.04. The marketplace opened up on an hourly basis before it. I think it went down to 93 before it did this nice mad spike up. This was a great opportunity. I'm not going to talk out of both sides of my mouth. It was a great opportunity to sell it, because we had the level that I gave you out previously, 117.52. The market needed to open above 117.52 to basically say, okay, this bottoms in, and we're probably going to try to attack 117.82. But if you didn't see that trade, or you weren't aware of it, and I actually did not see it, I was away at my cigar shop, and I missed an opportunity to sell this level, because it's also another system that I use. Basically, it's called a wave trade, and I'll be talking about that in Tower Price, which is a course that I'm going to be launching soon enough. So we're now moving down in euro dollar. You got to watch that dollar yen, and you got to watch euro yen, because if dollar yen stalls and euro yen keeps ticking up, well, the euro dollar is going to rebound. So if you're short euro dollar, you're gonna really want to focus in on euro yen and watch that dollar yen, because that's one component of the cross. Right now we are on track to hit 116.51-ish. That's another level of support, ultra short-term support. If it opens below 116.51, there's major support at 116.02. And, you know, I don't expect it to break 116.02. If it broke 116.02, you're looking at like 115.30. But I'll do another update, you know, if the markets again get crazy. This is going to be put out on Thursday, because I had an emergency. I was out of cigars, and I had to go search around and try to find them. That's why I'm so late doing this update. Okay, so the next currency we will look at is going to be good old dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, as we said, we had support at 109.06. Market came down to, I believe, the low. Let's see what the low was. 109.11. Yeah, 109.11 was the low. Market, I mean, this was, if you didn't get long here with a tight stop, I mean, it was silly. I did. Yeah, unfortunately for myself, I sold this. I should have just held on. You know, I had to take profit order, and it happened. And so now I missed, you know, this extra movement over here. Dollar yen, there's now support at 109. I'm gonna have to move this down a little bit, but I'm not gonna move the. It's very close. It's 109.65 is another level of support. If it opens below that, then you're gonna test again the 109.53, and then the 109.06 if it opens below that. There is intermediate support right now. Like, I shouldn't say intermediate. I should say, again, ultra short-term resistance, not support. Where's the horizontal line guy? Right at 25. So dollar yen, resistance 109.25. It needs to open above 109.25 to attack that 110.82. All right, so if it turns and gets and opens below 110.05, that would mean the top is in and we're going down to like 109.70. Okay, so there's good old dollar yen right now. Let's look at, let me put that away so I don't get confused. Dollar yen. Oh, euro yen, euro yen. Let's look at euro yen. All right, here we are in euro yen. Oh boy. What happened to my levels in euro yen? It disappeared. Why? All right, so we had a level in euro yen at 128.59. Oh, there. Okay, there it is. 128.55. Okay, same thing. 128.55. We said an open below it was going to drive us down to. Hang on. 120. Like that opened its way up to like a very low level of like 127. But there was an adjustment, and I didn't give you guys the adjustment because it happened after I did calculations. Like 108.39 was a level for adjustment. It even went through 39 slightly. So now really euro yen basically is tracking between 128, say, and a half, 130. Now if we can break again and go lower, break lower than 128, say 30, this is on its way down to like 127.50. So I'll put that down there. Make sure I put that level in. 127.50. Actually, the true price is 45, whatever, 45 even. So that's the next level. So hang on, again I erased it instead of kept it there. 47. Right there. Okay, there it is right there. So this is the key to really euro dollar. If dollar yen continues to get pinned up there and they start buying the euro dollar, this is going to be pushing euro yen higher, and that's going to push euro dollar higher. So you got to be careful if you just short straight euro dollar. Okay, and you got to watch that dollar yen. That's really, really important. I'll do a video on the course on the cross currency so you guys can understand what I'm talking about, because you need to know how to calculate the crosses and know how to leg into a cross and leg out of a cross. And it's not very complicated. It is a little bit of a brain bender, but you should know how to do it. All right, let's go to sterling yen. Sterling yen, we had a nice run. You know, we had that break of 150, and it basically stalled. It created a closing price reversal right here. In other words, it made a low, then it closed a little bit higher, and that was like the takeoff. Now, sterling yen needs to get above 150, 156. It's the same levels to show strength to 152.15. If it breaks down below 151, say 10 again, which is right here, if it opens below 151.10, we're probably going to trade around, playing around with that 150.64 level. So again, the key is really dollar yen. If dollar yen continues to rally, it's going to put, it's going to give a little bit more buoyancy to these crosses. Last one. It's good old sterling dollar. Sterling dollar. Okay. All right. We said an open below 137.83 was going to push sterling down to 137.40. Open below 137.40. Sterling dollars, on track to hit 136.80. So I'm going to put that level down there here. 136. That's close enough. And I'll just lock it. So 136.80. If it opens below 136.80, now we're looking at that 135.70 level. 135.70. So that's what I have for you guys on this Wednesday evening at 10:51 p.m. If anything gets crazy, I will do an update again for you real quick. And remember, it's going to get tricky. I'm telling you, I just feel it in my bones. It's going to become tricky, tricky, tricky. So just be cautious out there. It's not going to be as easy as it was the last couple of weeks. This is just gut instinct. But just trade carefully. Make sure you're focused, and you'll pull out some pips. So I'll see you again. And remember, enjoy the party. Dance near the door. Cheers.